everyone, got a Nissan Key Fob here. We're going to replace the battery inside of it. Nissan's been using this key fob style for at least 10 years. So first thing you're going to want to do with the key fob is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have a button right here that you're going to slide over to the right. Then you can pull the key fob emergency key right out. Now looking at the bottom of the key fob right here, if we look closely, there's a little slit right here, just a little bitty one, okay? And what we're gonna do is use a flathead screwdriver that fits in the slit pretty much perfectly. And we're gonna stick it in there, and then we're gonna turn it clockwise, okay? And once you turn it clockwise, you'll notice that it opened up the remote, all right? I'm gonna take the screwdriver and open it up a little bit further. Then we can just crack this guy open. See what we have in here. So on the back side of the remote is where the battery lives, and we'll just go ahead and pry this guy out with the screwdriver. Now I'm going after the slit or the hole that's right here on the top of it, but I want to go near these contacts here. All right. I'll show you what size the new battery is, and here is the new battery right here. And we're looking at a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down in the holder or in the back of the remote. Okay, you can see right here. If you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a link to you on Amazon where you get a new Panasonic battery there. They're extremely cheap there, so check that out. Then we just get the two halves. Let me put them together. Just all I gotta do is snap the remote back together. Emergency key goes back in, and you're all done. I hope the video really helped you out, and if it did, drop me a like or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.